All right, so once you're done with the batter's box, you can come out here. It's easier if you have two people. You can help line it up easier, but take the bases off. And then you might be able to tell there's an area here where a lot of people kind of run the chalk line as the season gets going, but you kind of got to look back. And it's kind of trial and error if you're by yourself. But I'm just going to try right here and put this in, slide that down, and then we'll just walk this back and see how it lines up. Just gonna walk this past. Now this line would be here, but I'm just gonna walk this past about this far. And then I want that line to be real close to home plate there, the back side of the plate. Like this. And then it should be a real straight line out to the foul pole. And again, we're not in the major leagues, but it looks like it goes a little bit to the right just by looking at it. So if I was me, I was gonna move this about 6 inches to the left. And it should help match up with the baselines too. You can see how this is kind of off a little bit, so I'm gonna move this. About like that. That looks a lot closer. And when I get to this end, I can pull on it because I've got the other end anchored. And again, this is easier if you got somebody help you. And there you go. And then you could take this line, chalker, and run that line out. And then when you're done with it, this base, when it's put in the mount, this doesn't look 100% accurate, but if the line was about here, when the base is on it, the line should go right on this part of the base, underneath of it. So the line disappears under the base steering right here, and then it comes back out here. It comes back out here. Not 100%. Doesn't need to be perfect, but that's what we're shooting for. All right. And then just try not to run the chalk into the grass. A lot of times if we get some paint, we can do that. We can do the same thing with the line, run it out to the foul pole from where the chalk line ends, but then we use field grass paint for that, white paint. And we do have some of that. A lot of times people don't have the time to do that, but if it's an important game or a playoff or something, we'll have that done. Take a little bit more time, or if you ever have more time to do it, you can do it.